Let's look at passing chords that you can use in the key of F sharp. We are in the key of F sharp. Right? Okay, cool. And we will use the Lamp of God song to demonstrate this passing chords that we're gonna be using. Lamp of God, seated of the Father, you are holy, holy, you are holy. There we go. Let's do that again. Then I'll break it down. Passing chords. Okay, what did I just do there? Let's look at these two passing chords that I incorporated in my playing right before going back to Lamp of God. Because I mean, if you're not using passing chords, this is how it's going to be. It's gonna be just Lamp of God. Let me use chord triads. Okay, maybe I can use a run. I'll show you how to do that as well. But if I'm not using passing chords, or maybe I'm not using any run, then the basic one is just and using chord triad. There you go. So but now when you add your passing chords, this is how, I mean, these are the passing chords that I use. So your first one is this one. So it's gonna be Lamp of God, seated of the Father, you are holy, holy you are. Here's my passing chord. So the first one is my right hand is 5, is 5, 1, 2, 4, and then on my left hand I'm on 7 and I'm on 5. So remember, we are using numbering system, right? We're using numbers to communicate as well, because it's either that way. Because if I have to use letters, then I'll have to use numbers as well. Then it becomes a lot of work. So it's just gonna be your 5, 1, 2, 4. Then the second one, so let me just do that again slowly. So it's your, so on your left hand is gonna be 7, 4. On the right hand, slowly 5, 1, 2, 4. Right on the left hand, slowly 7, 4. Then the second one is this one, or it can be, I mean, on your left hand you can just do this, or you can just play this one. Now first let's break down what I'm playing on my right hand. I'm playing sharp 5, I'm playing 1, 2, I'm playing 5. Right, before I go back to my 6, which obviously goes back to the progression of the song. And then on my left hand, as I explained, you can play it can be your 3, it can be a 7, it can be a 2, or it can just be your sharp 5 and it can be a 2. So it's gonna be, when combined, is this, or then you go back to the song. There goes my passing chords. For the last time. Okay. Now let me show you that run that I did, right? That was not actually, I did not plan to include that, but let me just show you what I did there, right? If you don't want to play the passing chords, then it's just gonna be seated at the right hand of the Father, you are holy, holy, you are holy. Then that run is. So what did I just do there? On my with my right hand, right? I went from, so it's 1 7. I'm descending, right? 1 7 6, and then 6 flat because I'm descending. Then right here, then I'm ascending, playing the same thing, right? And then on my left hand is 3 sharp 4 5 sharp 5. Sorry, 5 actually is not included, so it's just gonna be your. Okay, I was wrong. Okay, let me see. So it's a 3 sharp 4 sharp 5. So let's do that again for the last time. Or I can use them both. I mean, can use them both even, hey? Then here I go do my run. Alright. That was, the 2 passing chords that you can use, and the run, which was not even, I was not supposed to be part of the video, but yeah, I'm glad you learned something.